How to add card to Amazon Prime Video. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. Now search for Amazon Prime Video and navigate to its website. In order to add the payment method in Amazon Prime Video, you must access its website from the browser. You cannot do it from the mobile phone app. So in its website, log into your account first. After you are logged in, head over to your account and settings page. In this page, in order to add a card to your account, you can go to this set payment method. Now from here, you can add any card of your choice into your Amazon Prime Video account. You can add your credit card or your debit card or your MasterCard. You just need to provide your card information over here, provide the name on the card, enter the card number, provide the expiration date of the card, and make sure that your card information is precise. And if you want to make this as a default payment, you can tap on this checkbox. After reviewing all your informations, you can tap on this add your card button. And that's how you can easily add your payment card to your Amazon Prime Video account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.